Let's have a look. I've only done that bit there, I think. Oh, there's more bits in here. Aye, we're just in the Kilbride train station. I came, I just wanted to take a video. Oh, aye, there were men doing this back here. Oh, some food there too. Oh, aye, I showed you that bit as well. I think. Oh. Oh. Mister, I forgot to go down. I think I enjoyed it. Aye. Aye. Big truck. That's the tire I was sitting on. My friend was on. Just a memory. I'll show you what they were doing then. Aye. I found it in a... Oh, you were putting a... I was putting the plug hole in. Oh, that's what they were putting in the plug hole. Oh, got him. This is Scotto. Davy. Big Davy. I never got Davy. Big Davy. I said it just up the road. There's a speaker on that one. Aye. Aye, I'm getting the stereo. That's his glasses. Oh man, they're putting the radio. Oh aye. Oh yeah, that's just when the lines to forgotten the day, 1st of May. I was going to do a video up. Oh, they put the speaker for the... Oh, aye. Oh, that was it. Oh, that was it. busy. Aye, oh. Oh, aye. Signs are not what. I forgot to say signs. Right. There's a... She's on it. That's the stage Kilbride. Forgot to do a couple of videos. I come down. First, it must have been the first. I did buy that wee... Oh, aye. Line. Doesn't feel like... Doesn't all like that ramp there's getting tangled up as well. Get the line. Get the line. Oh, the bird. The camera's already on. Right. Just on the edge. I'll just go for a couple of days because I was found in the day. Don't matter if I want. Right, this. The buttons and lights to get on, the lights, lamps, maybe the box. Aye, they're in, so there's wee bird there. You should really get to see you with our building. Maybe she does. Did they get the guys this morning? I think the two was the Glasgow Central and started. I said there was blasting music through the car. but in the exhaust. Oh, I'm not got the exhaust anymore, the train. Oh, for fuck. I think it's a bloody lamp. Was that it? Oh, God. It's a couple of hours. Your radio, your master.
Oh, yeah.
I managed to get the ceiling speakers because I got the sound. I got a box and a lamp, just had a guy turn his horn. Must be one of us. Must be just lights up here too. That was, you want to just go back up and have a swatch. He put his name on it. You know, the other day was just a train, but aye. A black cord, a big cord.
If you're funny, or I can grab one. Don't stop there, man. Oh, you did say you wanted a wee burn. Feel the burn, mate. Are you okay?
Aye. Yeah, master. That's cause the ramp. It's cause it's wind in the line. He's just trying a line right up to the box. He makes all the speakers go. Aye, so the station could have the. Aye. I thought that was the lift for the staircase. Does it not have a lift? Where's the lift bit? So he's got a lamp. He's doing a wee bit of job in there as well. I was putting that and then what? Oh, there's a speak just coming in here to connect to the box, lamp, lights. These box, what do you call that? That's an R. That's an R button, just need a good radio. Good 8 minutes. Well, I get safety big energy bulbs. That's just the old one. I know they keep the station and gives up there. Aye. There's these seats down here, so they can get around. I think that's bloody fuse bolts. That button doesn't work. Oh, aye, lines are all getting in, a shovel. That is a straight line, a straight. I don't know how to get the big line. Doesn't work.
Take the offices just down there, pal.
I know this is already broke. That's the one we're working.
You want to talk to somebody?
No, she's always crisps and juice and stuff, snacks.
Right.
And I eat the donuts, didn't they, when they put the wheels back on? And they put the wheels back on.
Oh, dear me.
No, I did the tire was standing up there. I was going around the chef, I know.
Right. As long as you're okay.
I done the blew my own speakers up as well.
Oh, dear me.
I know, I had 60. There's a guy in the said what? I said, I said Nelson Station's alright.
Right,
I still, Nelson's alright.
right.
I just tell the fellas about the station again.
Alright, pal.
And the guy was saying, there's a bloody building site. And then the other ones were just saying, I was dancing away, the music. I said, just pluck the bloody chicken. They press the button that, and it's like, the gooses. I say, yeah. Oh, aye, he said when it, oh, aye. Oh, you didn't see it in that spot, Claybo, below, it says a cable goes in there. The cable goes in there. Cause it's the cable and the wire, the hangman. That's his big thing. Aye, what the size it? Oh. He's putting it in his bucket next. That's it. That's the one. Let the pipe back! Get the pipe back! Let the bloody pipe! Let the pipe band! I'll be the pipe band! I don't want... Oh, message tape! Oh, that's on a message tape, that one. Meep, meep. Right, that's it. Oh no. I should have buy one of them and get the bra, the bar.
That's the digger driver, that's Alistair.
Alistair the digger.
Alistair the digger driver.
So that office is going in one of the offices in here, and my dad does driving the trucks, does all the food trucks, delivery. Ah. Oh my God, this is going to be outrageous. Somebody's lost a pack of hankies. Oh, it's right down the drain. Right down the drain. There's a big bucket there, guys. Here, this, oh no. He done that. Just need to smooth this right out. But I mean, I'll go around and get the guys that done the Identity. Oh God. I see them through the door. I look here. Here's bloody Maggie, tell him. Yes, a race to go. Bye. And the race can up. I'll get. That's a coach. Oh, that's foil for. I was doing that about the other foil. Back the side. That must be windy. That's a bit of windy in that one. Oh, bound side. Oh my God, I'm going on for more on that one. And a bound side. I like to feel fucking beautiful. I don't see the time why he doesn't fall off the roof or anything. Outside the old wrappers. By the tin foil. That's the mixer. The hoover up, the mixer. Oh look, these are doing the bricks today. Aye, doing the bricks. The other guy's doing the bricks. Oh, it's too close to him. Aye. Now they're doing the bricks. I think they're doing them with a foot mixer. I can still smell that bloody woman's perfume. That was they still got that wee back there into the station. I was at the top of the Kilbride because of the I think I'm going to bloody laugh out of this bloody. Bloody new bricks and stuff. That's a level, that one. I'm not sure it's a level. I haven't done a lot of the day, guys. I got a guy who was doing the electricity, doing the lines, the lights, now the radio, the walkie-talkie, the hot. I'll keep this. I do a wee bit more, he was a wee bit more. That's how I'm getting. What's the fire? What's the fire? I can't just go down that way. I got in somewhere. Aye. I'm a bit in the band. Where's that guy with the band? That wasn't it. That was the guy with a big long chip. Cementer. And it didn't fell out of the bucket because it goes out and ran. On that one, sight in that one. Is it going to go to the... Aye, the bit of that roof there and that bit there. He still uses the drill and stuff. I think we're getting more on this one. Didn't it come in with the paint? What used to be paint for? Didn't it say paint? I had the flagger. Didn't it have the station? I didn't do plaster work as well. That must be a window or the... can see them moving up a wee bit more, guys. Oh, aye, that bit there, we're supposed to get them. God bloody blimey. Is that going to be enough? Right, guys, I'll just